Welcome back to Emergency Behavior. Today, deputies respond to a chaotic family dispute where accusations fly, tempers explode, and a mother ends up facing serious charges. Watch until the end and subscribe for more real body cam footage.
Is Nisha? Is she inside? Are you okay?
No, I'm not staying here.
Okay. Well, we got another deputy coming, okay? So you hang out with him, okay? All right, just hang tight. So who's Nisha? Is she your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? Say that again?
I'm
Savannah. Okay, Savannah. Okay, I'm deputy on the sheriff's office, okay? So you know, I want a body camera. All right. I'll just go inside and who else is in the house?
my dad. He's in his car.
Your dad's in the car? Okay, is your dad
He's the problem too. I'm not staying here with them.
Okay. Alright. I'll hang out with you then until another deputy arrives. He's on his way. How you doing, sir?
What's going on with?
So I'm deputy guy with the sheriff's office. I'm wearing a body camera, okay? Alright, so I'm just out here because Nisha called.
Yeah, she called for them. She called for him and her.
Okay, so for him too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially for him.
Okay. Make a false I'm 61 with the journalist.
Shut up. You're not in the game. You've never been raised around gangbangers. You don't have any dead homies. You were raised by your mommy and daddy. Yeah, that makes you feel tough.
Oh my.
Who bought that? You didn't hustle for that.
Who didn't either? Fuck.
Nigga, who the f bought it?
Oh my.
Who bought your car? You out of train shit stealing?
Oh, decent.
Who is this?
Oh my.
Who is this? You ain't never fucking
Get
say
your
that.
broke ass on my face.
Man, you sound
Get your bum ass on my face, gang. You's a bum fool. You don't do shit. You don't got a dog, gang. I'm cool,
Stay
fool.
back. Just stay back, bro.
You don't buy shit for me, gang. You don't buy shit for me, gang. Stop that shit.
Chill out.
You alright,
Just chill out.
fool.
He do this every
Oh, boy, bro, you broke it on my deal, homie.
Okay, that's fine.
Big ass broke his
Hey, chill out, man. Just chill out. Chill out.
on my
Hey,
deal.
stay here with him.
Broke his
Mom's the one that called, so stay here with him.
broke ass fool.
Nisha?
Yeah.
Hey, Nisha, I'm deputy guy with the sheriff's office. Wearing a body camera.
Are you available?
What's going on today?
These kids is disrespectful. Excuse me? Excuse me?
From these two motherfuckers, you don't need to stop that shit. They need to stop that shit on Club.
You need to shut your ass up.
Let's go inside and talk. 'Cause this is gonna be.
Okay.
So start from the very beginning. What's going on?
So, he's on probation,
Who's that?
my son.
Your son, okay?
He's been running around here like nobody can tell him anything.
Okay.
He's not supposed to be smoking.
Okay.
We found vapes in his room, certain things in his room. His dad told him, give me the laptops.
Okay.
You're not supposed to be on any laptops. You vaping, you smoking weed, you're not supposed to be doing any of this stuff. You on probation. You finna go get resentenced
Sure.
next week.
Who's his probation officer? Do you know?
It's Heidi. Heidi Slow. That was who I was just speaking with.
Okay.
Yeah, that's who I was just speaking
So I was okay.
Yeah, so this has been an ongoing issue.
Okay.
He gets out of jail, he has to come back here.
Okay.
Like I said, he's putting a battery in her bag. He's got her saying, don't talk to me, don't do this, don't do that. You know, like nobody can tell them anything.
What do you mean he's putting a battery in her bag?
Like nobody, he's telling them, you don't gotta listen to them.
Okay. So
you don't
got
got
bugging her pretty much.
Yeah,
Okay,
like
okay.
don't do what they say, don't.
Yeah.
You know, this is my house.
So
you're my
you
kid.
and her dad.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is our house.
Okay.
You can't come in here telling none of my children what to do.
Sure.
You barely in here.
Right.
I'm not gonna take no disrespectful kids.
Okay.
I'm not gonna tolerate it.
How long has this been happening?
This has been happening for almost 2 years.
For 2 years.
He's
And how
been-
long has he been in the house?
He's been in the house, I mean, all his life.
Okay.
But like I said, he started going. Last year he went to jail, and after that it's just been a reoccurring issue. I'm calling every couple months ago. He was just in jail for pulling a knife on his dad.
Okay.
You know, I'm at this point he's dangerous.
Sure.
He's pushing on me.
What did he do today?
What did he do today?
Yeah.
He just put his hands on me.
Like how?
He was pushing me and swinging like.
And where did this happen?
This happened in back here.
Okay. Go for it. Tell me, walk me through exactly what happened today.
Alright, so this morning, him and my brother got into it over...
Your dad and
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I was in my room, and then he came in my room, told me to go clean the bathrooms.
Okay, just tell me.
So I was wait, what happened this morning or
Throughout the day.
so me and my brother this morning, we woke up for school. Our dad was just yelling at us
About what?
about cleaning up the house stuff. So
Okay.
we was doing that, and we was getting ready at the same time, so we were trying to do both. So then he said something to my brother about asking us where our school computers at. So he takes the computers. He didn't have mine. He took his computer. So he took his computer, and my brother had said something like, no, because he was getting like all aggressive with my brother. He jumped out the bed because my brother kept asking him like, why do you need our computer? Why do you need our computer? So he jumped up out the bed. He stopped asking me questions. You are a kid. So he so my brother told him. My brother said, you don't run nobody, or he said you don't run nothing in here. And then that's when we left off for school. So after that,
So this morning was just nothing but yelling.
yeah.
Sounds like.
Yeah, it was just arguing. So then we get home from school. I come in my room. He busted my room. He go clean that bathroom up. So I go clean the bathroom up. Didn't say nothing. Didn't have an attitude. I clean it up. So then I hear him in my room. I thought he was in his room going through stuff. So I hear him in one of our rooms going through stuff, just rambling. So I see him walk out my room with my computer and stuff. My backpack and stuff is like spread all over my bed. So I said, stop going through my stuff. So what you say? And my mama said, go smack her. So I said, stop going through my stuff. I repeated it. So that's when he grabbed me by my neck and choked me. And then that's when my brother came and broke it up. So then that's when my mom got up in there.
And you said your mom did that?
She did this one right here. This one was from a few days ago.
And your dad did that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then you told them, stop going through my stuff. Then what happened?
That's when my dad said, what you say? So I repeated it. My mom said, go smack her. So then he grabbed me by my neck and left these marks. And then that's when my brother came and broke it up and he pushed my dad off me. So then that's when my mom come in there and she grabbed me. She started running at me.
What do you mean she grabbed you?
She grabbed me by my shirt and she like just swung me and I hit the door. So she started smacking me. And then that's when my brother came and broke that up with her.
Okay. So what do you mean she started smacking you?
She smacked me in my face.
How? Open? Closed?
Closed. I mean open.
Open?
Yeah.
Where? The same spot?
Right here.
On the cheek?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, how many times?
Once.
Once? Okay.
And then my brother had came and got her up off me. So then she started pushing him. And she basically pushed him. She was pushing him out the door, telling us to get out. So I went and grabbed my coat. So she told me, no, take that off. I bought that. So I just put on this sweater and walked out.
So, in domestic situations like this, where there's clear evidence that there's been some sort of altercation, scratches, knots, black eyes, bloody noses, stuff like that, we're mandated to make, if we have reasonable suspicion, if we can, if we have reasonable suspicion to make an arrest, we can, right? Mm-hmm. Unfortunately, we have injuries to her, right? Now, those injuries, she's telling me that they came from you, or no, from her dad, I'm sorry. But then you tell me that those injuries are from you.
I didn't say those injuries from anybody. I just said.
So do you know where? Do you see where our predicament is at? Now, those injuries have to come from somewhere.
So why are you saying your daddy did it? Why are you saying your daddy did it? Why the fuck you sitting here lying? See, that's why. This is what's gonna get y'all fucked up, because this is how motherfuckers get cases and shit. Kids lying. Y'all gonna get okay.
So, to go back to what I was saying. So in this situation, you admitted to pushing her. Now that right there is, you're admitting that you pushed her, right? That's still domestic battery.
How is that domestic battery?
It's domestic battery. It's unwanted physical contact, and you're her parent. So that's still domestic battery. Considering the state of Illinois, so consider domestic battery. Now, I don't want to arrest you. You got your little ones in here. I don't want to arrest you, right? What's more concerning to me is the injuries to her. Let me ask you this. Did you see Ryan grab her by the neck?
No. I did not.
Okay, did you?
And if a person grabs you by the neck, I think you'll be yelling and screaming and doing something like that. Like the fuck she is very dramatic, and she would have done it just like she was doing when I pushed her up against the wall and doing all of the extra stuff.
Right. Like I said, I don't want you to take the blame for it. I don't want you to.
He didn't do it. We're not gonna put no charge on him, and he didn't do it.
Okay. Okay.
Like we just told you, they don't want him here.
Listen.
So at the end of the day, I'm not gonna sit up here and debate with no kids. That's fine. This is what I don't have time for. This is why I don't want them here. Like I said, he puts the battery in her back. That's that. I ain't gonna take up for nobody. At the end of the day, he didn't do that.
Okay.
He did not do that. I'm okay.
Go for it.
But nobody.
And I get that you guys are saying they're lying, but when one of the parties involved is claiming some sort of physical contact and there's injuries or mandated, somebody's going to get arrested.
Somebody's going to go.
Okay.
And that's what we're trying to figure out. And I get that both of you guys are saying none of this happened, that they're lying. They're saying you guys are lying. That's where we're at.
Well, you can say whatever, baby. At this point, I'm so sick of them.
Sure.
I want them gone from my home. I was just talking about.
Hey, this how she talks. This how she talks.
Chill out.
Because she want her kids going, but you don't want that.
Yes, I do. I don't want no disrespectful ass kids.
He disrespects you. What do you mean? You want your kids going before you? That disrespects you.
We're going to figure some out. We're going to figure. Just please.
No, that's what he do. That's what y'all do.
Savannah.
That same way.
Savannah. Go over there.
No, y'all write it out. That's why y'all going to jail. I'm not.
We're not doing this. Go over there, please.
Write it out, baby. No, let that man inside of there. Write it out, baby, because that's what you want. You want to take a charge for him? Why? You got 3 other kids. Let that goofy go down. No, she's stupid. Clearly. No, you're going to go down. You want to take a charge for somebody? I don't care. And you're finna go to jail and take a charge for him. A broke bum that don't do nothing for his kids.
Go over there, please.
Do you see? You think I'm gonna allow this to go on in my house? Do you see?
No,
I wouldn't dare. I wouldn't dare. I wouldn't dare. I wouldn't dare have them come back in my home.
Don't care about them no more. Since you want your kids gone, we'll be gone. Don't call me back here.
So what do you think?
Like honestly, y'all think at the end of the day.
Honestly, like Miss Porter. Did you see him put his hands on her?
I did not see him do that. Did you see him do that? You were you wasn't in there. I walked right past you. I walked right past you.
Miss Porter. Miss Porter.
What are you talking about?
It's
this
very
boy is
listen.
These kids
Listen,
is
it's very easy to hear what's going. It's very easy to hear things. The things that are happening, especially when the rooms are that close to each other.
He didn't hear that.
Okay, but if somebody's having,
why y'all keep trying to put it on him? That's what the trying to do. We just tried to. I just told y'all. We just said the same story. We didn't come in here. He was outside. We didn't call horse no story. When y'all pulled up, he was outside. We didn't do none of that.
I get that, but that's
they stood out here, call horse their story. That's cool. At the end of the day, that's good. Like I said. Man, shut the up, please. I'll take my charge. I should have beat the out you. That's what I should have did. I should have beat the because they steady keep trying to say the you did. They steady asking me, oh, don't take the charge. I'm not taking no charge for no mother. If I take the charge, I will take the charge my mother self. Don't fuck that shit. I ain't got to sit here and play no games.
Her and her mama had an altercation. That's who had a physical altercation.
Right.
I never touched her.
Now she's telling, and the reason why I'm telling you, I'm asking her this is because she's telling me that she's got the scratches, that she did the scratches, that she scratched her. That's what I'm telling her. Don't take
to believe her.
Don't take the fault if it's not your fault. That's what I'm trying to say.
But if she's telling you it's her fault, it's probably her fault. I didn't touch her. I didn't put any marks on her. And you're not going to get me to say that I put marks on a child and I didn't touch her.
Okay.
That scratch could have came from anybody. So at the
it could have came from them arguing. They were in the midst of each other fighting each other.
It could have came from her acting like a fucking fool. That's what I'm saying. So at the end of the day,
he pushed her out the way and grabbed her by her. So I don't know if he did it to her.
The fuck, like,
he jumped in between them and he grabbed her.
We just had to call the police on him because you said he hit you in your mouth. Now come on. playing.
2 months ago.
It doesn't matter. At the end of the day,
You will take a charge for a man. Take
man, get that in my house. Fuck.
I'm not.
That's what you are.
She's putting on.
She's definitely put on.
She's putting on.
So
Can you listen? This is not how
she's putting on the
Because
act.
you don't want nobody disrespecting her. You're not my
You
mother.
can't disrespect me.
I don't hear this shit.
don't
She's
care. Come on,
acting.
man.
These are my kids. I know when they
She's
acting and
acting.
she's acting.
And you keep that
You're
battery.
psycho. She's psycho. Get me away
I don't
from him.
wanna-
I don't want to be
Take
here
her
no
wherever
more.
she
I'm
want to go.
tired.
Take her. Take her. Take her.
Hey, it's one of y'all finna go down too then, baby. How about that?
You hear that? This is what she wants. She wants somebody to go down because she don't like us. She don't like us. That's why she wants somebody to go down.
Puppy.
One of y'all gonna go though.
See?
You see these boots on my neck? I want to ask me what's going on. Baby, now y'all got it.
Come here, Callie.
Could you get your hands out of your pocket for me?
What's y'all
please?
arresting him for?
Domestic battery, man.
He
Come
didn't
on.
even do. Hold on. He didn't even do nothing.
Listen,
No, because y'all don't have the story right, and y'all on bullshit
taking
now.
me
Now
to jail.
y'all just taking him because the fuck said some
or I
bullshit.
can arrest
I
you.
don't give a arrest me or not at the end of the day. The fuck? Y'all sitting up here fucking lying.
Man, why y'all taking her? You know,
fuck?
I'm about to call her.
Here, get my phone.
Hold on, where your phone at? I'm
Get
calling
my
my lawyer. Y'all
phone.
fucked up. All y'all on recording.
Call okay,
Last
you're at
numbers that I
work.
need y'all to
Call okay, you're at work and tell her to don't be there tomorrow.
Don't worry about it.
They can't come the back up in my house, period.
Because
y'all full of bullshit.
harassing me and y'all been trying to get this shit.
You know, going to jail.
He keeps talking about somebody's watching
Shut the f and get the f off my mother yard. No. What's wrong with you?
I'm here.
You ain't nowhere.
The reason we're arresting you at this point, because you admitted to pushing her too. So, listen, Miss Porter, we're gonna put everything that
Read me my rights, man. Come on with it.
I'm not gonna read you anything. We're gonna put everything that you said in the report. Okay. So
What
you're
starts
probably
as
gonna
a
have to see
domestic
judge tomorrow
disturbance
morning.
quickly turns
Okay?
into a heated
Do you have any
investigation
questions
as
for us?
officers
I don't got
uncover
nothing for
injuries,
y'all. Y'all
conflicting
definitely gonna hear
stories,
from our
and a
attorney.
family
So at the
completely
end of the
falling
day, I hope
apart.
the sheriff. I
Like,
hope y'all got
comment,
all y'all
and
shit
subscribe
together.
for more police body cam
Thank you.
cases.